Hi, this is Sari with Starkweather Association Services, coming to you with another 1 Minute YM. Member engagement is one of the biggest drivers of member retention, but many associations struggle to move members from passive observers to active participants. One strategy that we have found and we want to share with you today is member incentives. When members feel recognized, rewarded, or appreciated, they are much more likely to participate in events, discussions, and community activities. In this video, we're going to walk through a few ways you can create simple incentive programs using your membership. Let's get started. So one of the easiest incentives is to implement member discounts. Discounts provide immediate value and give members a tangible reason to participate. Codes that can apply discounts to events or products in your store. Let's take a peek. Go down to the store, and then we're going to go to promo codes. Click on Add a new promo code. You're going to create a name. You're going to add a start and end date, whether it applies to the entire shopping cart or an individual product. If you click on individual product, it will have you go ahead and select the product. The entire shopping cart would be, you can add like a minimum purchase here. So let's say they have to spend $25 for this to apply. Whether this is available to anyone or only to signed-in members. This, if you are trying to promote member engagement, you'd want it to be signed-in members only. Max number of uses. Sales discount. So if that's going to be off of a sales price, either the percent off or the amount off, you can also offer this off of a shipping. So again, percent or amount off. And then if applicable, the GL code, item name, and QuickBooks class, and then click save. Super easy to create, and it's very easy for your members to use as well. So after you create that, the member would just need to enter in that code for it to be applied. To increase engagement is to do recognition. So whether this is recognizing a company or an individual by marking them as the member of the month, and you could do this for your website. So let's show you how to go ahead and do that. You're going to go to the directory in CRM, enter the individual's name, click on search. Once you find the member's name, you'll go ahead and click on it and edit profile. Scroll down to featured member and mark yes. Scroll down to the bottom and click save. Now, depending on how your site is set up, it can appear in a couple different places. In this current example on our test site, if you scroll down, it's going to be on the, you do have the ability to move this, and in some layouts, it will be on the homepage as well. And you can see here the member that I put, and then now it's also clickable where you can click on his name and it will take you to his profile. Milestones. So a few examples would be to celebrate their birthday or membership anniversaries. So you can collect birthdays through the registration fields, and you can identify membership anniversaries through the registration data in YM. So let's take a peek. At the directory search, you can scroll down. So here you would see the date that they registered. So you can go ahead and say, let's say, last year or last month, or you can put in a specific date range. Let's say you want to do a 5-year anniversary. So you would filter that information, set it here in the criteria, click on search at the bottom here. Go down to create a campaign list, which then would walk you through creating an email. Email, you can send a birthday message, anniversary email, or even small rewards like a discount or a gift card. These small and simple gestures can create a stronger emotional connection between the member and your organization. Your team has the engagement ideas but doesn't always have time to research how to set everything up inside your membership. That's where we can help. Your staff is smart and they are capable, but they just don't have hours to spend figuring out system configuration. Our support plan provides personalized guidance and fast response time so your team can implement engagement strategies with confidence. Your staff can do this and we can help them do it faster. Thank you so much. Have a great day.